Welcome to the T3 AI series, where TYPO3 meets artificial intelligence.
Select the page you want to change news content for. Click on T3 AI VoiceOver. Click on T3 AI. Click on News Content Rewriter. Select AI model. Choose AI version. Select rewrite text you want to. Select page. Select record type. Select news record. Add topic. Choose writing style. Enter word count you want. Add additional instruction. Add background context. Add auto link. Provide link text. Click on Generate AI. Here the result is generated. You can edit and also can regenerate from the option given. Click on Save. After that, click on Save. To check the result, click on the page. Here's the result.
Thank you for watching the T3 AI series.